We're here with Professor Karen Harp's Geology 420 class, Extended Study in Chile. Today, two of the students are going to describe the summit hike on the Lonquimay volcano.
Hi, I'm Julie Wallen. I'm class of 2011 and I'm a geology major and Spanish minor.
Kristen Meisner, class of 2011.
Where are you from, Kristen?
I'm from Trumbull, Connecticut.
The whole group was really nervous about today. It was going to be a very big hike, twice as long as our previous hike, about I think 1,300 meters up, so very extreme. We woke up super early, it was dark out, we could still see stars. There was a lot of energy though, everyone was really excited. And it was not an easy hike, but getting to the top was the most amazing feeling of accomplishment ever. And the slide down some of the glaciers on the volcano were really exciting, so it was a great day. Exhausting, but great.
We walked up scoria, ash, a lot of unconsolidated material, walked on the snow. It was one of the toughest things I've ever done.
It was really exciting. I really I think the entire group has really loved having a guide lead us up the volcanoes because they keep everyone together. They keep a really steady pace, and the athleticism in the group is just a whole range, and they really make sure that everybody gets up there. If we need to stop, we'll stop. And they also make sure that you get up there safely.
And then we got up to the top finally after feeling like we were, putting our life in danger. And it was spectacular views. It was, we could see like 9 different mountains, 9 different volcanoes, and it was great weather, and it was such a great feeling. We got there at noon. It was perfect time for lunch, and we just relaxed for about an hour.
It's a really great feeling to get to the summit and everyone is there with you and pulling them up, and it was just an amazing celebration.
As you can see, the Geology 420 class is really making the most of their experiences here in Chile. Lonquimay was our 3rd volcano. Still have 2 to go. Check back soon and see what the group is up to.